Cool, cool, cool. There we go. Now
Okay,
it's
okay.
live.
Now I should be live. Awesome. Sorry, folks. I thought I was live, but I forgot to hit the go live button, so I wasn't actually live. Okay. So, what I was saying is today on this stream, we're going to be using Avalonia as opposed, or sorry, Writer instead of Visual Studio, which is very cool and fancy. So, very happy about that. And then let's actually go in. We have to do some settings real quick. So, okay, sorry, folks. Hi, I am Junko, and this is my stream. Um, and I have with me on the line, I have William2748. Oh, excellent. You hear me now. Okay, thank you so much. Perfect. All right. I'm going to add some text to note that Will is my guest here. Yes, Will. Okay. Yes, William278.
Yay.
Oh, yeah, bro. I got you. Select font and size 48, probably.
What's your
Oh, is
font
that
of
too
choice? Is
small?
it Nunito? Are you a
I
Nunito
should do
convert?
Nunito. I am a Nunito convert, but I've just been using Arial for everything.
Love a Nunito.
Nunito's very
Yeah,
good.
no, yeah, well, I guess I should introduce myself
Yeah,
again,
go for it.
maybe?
As
Yeah,
always, yeah.
okay. Yeah, I work with Jonko on the Haruhi Translation Club doing, I've done graphics, and for our club, the Haruhi Translation Club being the club that we translate Haruhi Suzumiya video games. Big, large Haruhi fan.
Oh, for
And
sure.
we're working on Chokoretsu. Probably butchering that name. But
Chocoretsu.
also that's Chokoretsu. It's always what I've called it, like chocolate.
Yeah, no, it's
And then
Chocoretsu.
yeah, and then
Hey,
oh, I'm gonna say the other one now. Heiretsu.
that was perfect.
Uh,
Nice, you did that
okay,
right.
great. And then some of the other ones as well we've looked at. Anyway, I'm on the same team with Junko, and we developed Serial Loops, which is an editor for the DS one that Junko said the name correctly of.
Chocoretsu.
And it's very cool. It's very cool. It's a cool visual novel, and our editor is very in depth, very user friendly, and one of the more advanced editors I think you'll see for just a game in general. It's very cool that
Yeah.
we're building. That's what we're gonna be working on today.
Yep.
But a bit about me as well. I do I'm a developer. I do mainly Minecraft plugins actually is my kind of job. But also I've worked in the DS scene. I've made my own games. I made Breaking Bad for the Nintendo DS. I have a video on my YouTube channel about the process of making that.
Oh, wait, actually, I didn't
Um, and that is yeah, my background really. I just a big fan of all the hacking and all the stuff we do,
do this. Hell
or
yeah.
ROM modding. That's what we
Oh,
like to say.
no, not ROM modding. Hate that. Okay,
Yeah,
we actually
so
want to do NetAdo Windows. Yeah,
I
perfect.
work on the UI stuff more and the serial loops. Jonko does more of the technical stuff.
Yeah,
Um,
and
although I have
so
been busy lately, I've been slacking off. But
you have been. You're
yeah, yeah,
significantly slacking off. In fact, I want to
yeah.
show something to everyone here.
Oh
This is how
no,
many PRs I have open. I have
oh it's
currently
crazy.
four PRs open. It looks like.
Yeah,
I had a total of 8, and at any given time I had 7 open, but now I have 5 PRs open right now.
yeah. I'm catching up. I'm actually
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
just been while Jonko's been introducing. I've been looking at one of his PRs
Thank you
specifically
so
about adding
much.
some more editor commands. Um,
Yeah. So
let's deep dive into it, I
yeah,
guess.
for
Yeah.
sure. So this is the script editor, and we're actually going to be waiting on Will finishing this PR before we continue, because I have another PR ready for the script editor immediately after he's done with this PR. So I'm going to
Yeah.
like, as soon as he approves this one, I'm
Customs.
going to merge it, and then I'm going to
Cody,
push
let's
up the
get
next
items
PR,
drafted.
and then he's going to have to do that. He's going to have to look at that PR as well because I love messing with him. It's just very fun for me. Okay, I've got a couple of notice.
KGB.
One sec on stream.
Am I actually not? For some reason, KGB display is not working, but it's maybe not that I've not pulled the correct code.
Okay.
Oh, I know what happened. I didn't actually pull correctly.
Oh, you didn't pull correctly? Oh my god, Will.
Yeah, it's some stupid merge conflicts.
Oh, I love
There we go.
merge conflicts. Oh my god, they're so great.
Just the
Okay.
rollback.
Yeah, you'll like this one. So I just want to show off a couple of things here. Oh, don't look at
Okay.
me doing stuff there. Okay. So yeah, let's check out. So currently, we have a couple of interesting things. So this right now, I've been working on for the last day and a half. The thing I've been working on is actually making installers and other
That's so
ways
cool.
of like actually distributing serial loops. So previously, so just for context, everyone, one of the things we're doing is we are converting the entire app from this old framework that we were using, not old, but like the framework we were using previously, called 8.0 Forms, Pico. So this is the old one we were using. It's called 8.0 Forms or 8.0. And 8.0 is it's a good system, but it is much it is not as flexible, in my opinion, as the current one we're using, which is Avalonia. And I don't actually know what the Avalonia org's name is. It's like Avalonia UI or no, it's Avalonia UI / Avalonia. That's what it is. So this is the one that we're using now. It's called Avalonia. Avalonia is widely supported for .NET. It's used. Hello, welcome. It is used on tons of different applications, including the one I'm using here, Writer. Writer is written in Avalonia. And so both 8.0 and Avalonia are cross-platform frameworks, UI frameworks, which means that they allow your .NET application to work on every single one of the major OSs. You can run it on Linux, Mac, and Windows. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to make it easier to install our application. And so I actually have here, where is it? Here. I have converted. The other thing I did, Will, by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but it was formerly an Azure Pipelines build, and I converted it to a GitHub Action.
I know. I was very pleased.
Yes, I bet you were. But the reason for
I
that
can read
is that
those.
yeah, the reason that I converted it was because I couldn't get Flatpaks to package on Azure Pipelines, like straight up.
Yeah, really. Weird.
So GitHub Actions has someone has made a Flatpak, packaged Flatpak GitHub Action. So that's what we're using for it. And so you can see here we have a test release, and it releases all of these different artifacts. So we have an installer for Windows, we have a portable release for Windows, we have 2 installer packages, one for ARM and one for x64 Mac. So that's Apple Silicon and Intel Macs, respectively. And then we have a whole bunch of different Linux releases. We have the Tarball, we have a Flatpak, which is supposed to be the main way of installing, and then we have Debian and RPM packages. So that's for Ubuntu and Red Hat distros, respectively. And so then we have these installation notes, and it's very cool. I'm pretty happy with it, especially the Windows installer is very nice. One of the big things about the installers and the Flatpak is that they bring all of the dependencies with them. So basically, here, let's just actually run the installer. I'll show you with the most recent one. Let's download the Windows installer real quick.
It makes it incandescently more user-friendly, just the most simple thing.
I think you were trying to say infinitesimally, which means a very small
amount. Infinitely.
There we go. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, Will, are you like
no, I'm
dunking on me?
There.
Okay. Awesome. So anyway, so if I run this, you'll be able to see. So first thing is Windows Smart Screen, and we have to hit run anyway, of course, which maybe we should add to the instructions.
Yeah, maybe.
Or we should start code signing. Honestly, we should code sign the Mac too. But anyway, so we have this.
Yeah.
We have the license agreement pop up first. We accept the license. We select install to program files. And then it has these 2 little checkboxes: install DevKit ARM and install Docker Desktop. I have both of these already installed, so it doesn't really matter, but we're going to have them checked so you can just see. And then it just tells us here's everything that's going to install. That we hit install. And the first thing it will do is it starts extracting all the files to C program files serial loops. And then it actually will run. It first extracts the Docker desktop installer, and then it will run it in just a moment. As you'll see. So first it has to extract it. It's a very big installer. It's like 400 megabytes, which is why the Serial Loops Windows installer is the largest of the files that gets pushed. So first we run the DevKit Pro updater. And so we'll just quickly update DevKit Pro. You'll see it does work. And so it will actually update everything. It's already all updated, so there's nothing to do over and over again. But it does work, which is fantastic. Excuse me, sorry. I should have drank tea. I'm a little tired.
It's always a good idea.
Yeah, I know. I should have done that before stream. Oh well. Anyway, so DevKit Pro takes a little bit. The updater takes a little bit here. For some reason, it takes a little while at the very end. I don't know, but it does install DevKit Pro or update it, or DevKit ARM rather. Actually, no, it does install all of the DevKit Pro packages unless you just check only DevKit ARM specifically. Because this is the Windows one. On the Mac one, Will, I don't know if you saw the Mac. Have you used the Mac one yet?
I haven't. I'm waiting.
You're gonna get your new Mac. Yeah, your ARM Mac.
My ARM Mac. My Intel Mac is too slow. Like the Intel build. I mean, I'd consider Serial Loops a pretty heavy app to run. It's quite not. It's not the most heavyweight app in the world, obviously, but it's doing some pretty intensive packing operations with a lot of file objects and stuff.
Oh, that's interesting.
So yeah.
My Intel Mac is great. It runs it just fine. I don't know what's up with yours, man. So your Mac sucks.
Maybe it does suck. It's a MacBook. It's the last Intel Mac of like its line. It's like the 2020, but it's got like an i5, 8 gigs of RAM. It's slow.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm
so sorry. That's my Mac I bought for $100 used. So I don't know what's up with yours, man.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe mine just sucks. I don't know. But anyway, in any case, I'll
test that. Okay. Okay. It will be tomorrow that it arrives.
Wait. What did you change? Yeah.
What did I change where?
With the Mac board.
Oh, it's an installer package now.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Right, yeah. Well, I'll install it.
Yeah, exactly. So instead of being previously it was, oh yes, they're calling him the MacBook user. That is indeed what they're calling him, Gig. So previously, and I don't know why DevKit Pro takes so long here. I have no idea, but it does. So that's fine. But anyway, previously we had what are they called again? For the Mac images, DMGs. So previously,
yeah, we drag it.
Yeah, with Ado we produced DMGs. Ado had a thing to just produce a DMG on Mac. And what that means is you double click it and then it just opens a disk image and you drag application like serialloops.app into applications. And that works fine. But again, it doesn't bring the dependencies with it. So now we have, I can actually show on stream what we have, Will.
Ooh.
But we have in here, we have Mac OS and we have Serial Loops, the Serial Loops package builder. But we have, so you can see we have like, here's the package that it creates. This is the bundle ID. This is the actual app that it's going to install and where it will install it. And then it has this pre-install script, install dependencies.sh, that it runs, and it also comes along with the pre-install resource of DevKit Pro pacman installer.pkg. And so if we go into install dependencies, it runs DevKit Pro pacman installer.pkg and actually installs it. And then it also runs Xcode select to install. We're working on Serial Loop Zerx. Hello. Did you just show up and say your name first? Is that what you did?
Hello, Zerx.
Hello, Zerx.
Nice talking to you earlier.
Zerx is a legend, in case you're wondering.
Zerx is the goat, actually.
Yeah, he is the goat. He is the goat. It's true. Actually, Zerx, are you he him? I actually don't know. Tell me in chat. I was also wondering. Yeah. And then DKP pacman, and then it actually installs NDS Dev, the NDS Dev package with DKP pacman. So it actually installs the DevKit Pro Pac-Man thing and then installs the NDS Dev thing on Mac OS, which is extremely cool. I don't know what you think about that, Will. Oh, you are he him. Thank you, Zerks.
Yeah.
So
I
anyway,
think it's awesome.
yeah. Yeah, pronouns are important for sure. I agree. I am he him, by the way. In case anyone was wondering.
Samesies.
Blue hair and pronouns. I don't have blue hair yet. I don't think I ever will have blue hair actually. I
The Saruya route.
Yeah, I don't think I'm like confident enough to pull off blue hair personally. So I did do blue hair for like crazy hair day in elementary school.
Really?
So yeah. I had like blue hair gel or something. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what it does. It actually installs all of the DevKit Pro stuff and Make on Mac OS with the package installer, which is extremely cool, I think. And then the other things we produce. Oh, perfect! It finally finished. Okay, cool. So then the next thing you'll see it pops up is Docker Desktop, and I already have Docker Desktop installed to the latest version, so it's fine. And then if we just get to the end here, we hit Launch Serial Loops, and there we go. Serial Loops is launched. And it's installed fully. If we go into this, you can see we have Serial Loops installed right there as an app. Super fucking cool, I think. I love it. Serial killers down here I can search for. Thank you. Thank you a lot there.
Junk. When
yes.
you have a sec,
Yeah, for sure.
I have a question.
Yeah, no, hit me.
So, you mind if I share my screen real quick? I don't know if this is
You
easy
can
to
share your
show.
screen with me, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's easy to show on things.
I don't have to
It's
show
not
on this.
super
I don't
easy.
have to show on stream, but I can just see it real quick. Unless you want me to show on stream.
No, well, yeah, well, it's fine. If you think it's necessary, but basically, I was just testing the binding of the tree items
Yeah,
to
for sure.
the text box. I just noticed it really hits performance when you do this.
Oh,
like,
it's
I'm just
slow,
typing a
isn't
sentence.
it? Yeah, it's slow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know
it's
what we should do
slow
about
on
that.
something. It was fast on my thing, but it's slow on this. That's not the binding. It is just rendering the preview.
Oh, is it? Is the preview?
Yeah, it's just the preview rendering. So we might have to go back
Hmm.
and thank you for enjoying the dark black theme. I really love that too. Wait, who has an OLED? I don't see. Wait 1 second. I got this, Will. Don't worry. I have to open up OBS again. Gig has an OLED user. Oh my god, Gig, you're so cool. You're the yeah, Gig is the goat, obviously. Hi Jinxie. Yeah, okay, so you got test. Okay. Yeah, so it does hit perf. I know it's really fast on my machine, but my machine's really good. So I don't know how much we care about the perf level there because it's not that bad, really.
Might have to disagree a little bit.
Okay, Will disagrees. So that's not relevant to this PR because it already was there.
No. Yeah, I didn't realize that.
No. Yeah, in future PRs, we can go back and we can re-implement the thing we had in 8.0 where it updates only after you're done typing.
That was it, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's how we did it in 8.0, and that's fine. We can do that. I just wanted to have it update instantly, but like if it's gonna hit perf like that, then we need to just make it update the way we did before. So we'll just do that.
Is rendering that async? I guess it is.
It is async, yes, but it blocks. It has to. Right. It necessarily has to block in order to render, or you end up with conflicts potentially. So it is an async render, but it has to block the thread. So that's what we did previously was we just had a cancellation token on updating, and we just like waited until that cancellation, like there was a timer and a cancellation token. We reset the timer every time you typed, and then after a period of time, it would do the poll. Yeah, well, it doesn't poll. It just updates. Like we queue and update every time you type a letter, and then and the queue is for the timer. And just resets the timer every time you type, and then at the end, it once the timer elapses, it then updates, and it only updates. The timer only will elapse after you're done typing because it updates every time you type.
Oh, it crashed.
Oh, how did it crash? What did you do?
I don't actually know. I think I pressed a button.
Oh.
What the hell?
What button did you press? Do you know? It says it will say in there probably reactive command errored.
Sorry,
Argument out
Index
of
range.
range. Serial loops, lit, util, extensions.
Extensions.
Collect garbage is causing an error. Okay, well that's not relevant to this PR. It's the PR we just merged.
Whoops. So they didn't. Well, I did test it a bit.
Yeah, I don't know. I've not run it. I've also tested it quite a bit, and it just didn't work. But that's okay. We'll fix that. Can you just? I'll just file an
Like an
issue real
issue.
quick. I'll just file an issue. Don't worry about it.
Oh, you got it. You got it. You
Yeah,
got
I
it.
got
Okay,
it. I
cool.
got it.
This one's fine though. The binding it does work. So
Okay, excellent. Strings, garbage,
yeah,
collection. Isn't the binding cool, by the way? I love it.
It is cool. I love how it instantly updates on the left. I wish the rendering was instant as well, because then we wouldn't have to do the polling queue thing, as you say.
I
But,
agree, but unfortunately, performance is the thing. So
yeah, that's strange.
okay,
I
string
wonder why
garbage
it's so much
collection
faster on your machine.
occasionally causes index out of range exception crashing.
See now, this may not be the most beautiful stream content, but it is kind of authentic, isn't it? I guess.
Yeah.
Stream.
CC at will. Okay.
Yeah.
So we filed an issue. Perfect. Okay. Cool.
Lovely.
Thank you, Will, for reviewing my PRs. I appreciate it as always, sir. Okay. And opening this back up. The crash button. Thank you. Thank you, Gig. Yes,
Yeah,
we have a
that was
crash
it.
button. Okay. So yeah, anyway, the GitHub Action's very cool. We've seen the installer now. Oh, the other thing I was going to show is you can also go into add or remove programs. And if we search for serial loops, you'll see it shows right up, serial loops version 0.0.7. And we can just hit uninstall, and it comes with an uninstaller as well that uninstalls serial loops. Oh, the other thing it does, Will, by the way, here, before I do this, if you have, I should probably make it work with SL zips that we made, like auto open. But for now, I associated it with SL Proj. So it auto associates with SL Proj. There's actually no support for doing it, but you can see, yeah, .slproj is actually associated with it. It doesn't actually open anything up because we don't accept command args or anything. We don't accept argv to deal with it.
Yeah.
But it is associated. SLProj is associated. We can, and we can also associate SLZip very easily. Is this an unreleased tool? It's actually a release tool, but this version of it is unreleased. It is a fully open source, so if you go to the GitHub Haruhi Club serial loops, you can see we have the full thing, and we even have an 0.20 release that is on 8.0 form still. And if we go in here, you can see we have pre-releases up to 0.3 pre-45 that has like some more updates with it. But the Avalonia branch is the one that has the actual version of the app that we're using now. And we have not made any releases of that yet because it's what we're doing right now is, like I said, we're porting it from 8.0 to we're porting it from 8.0 to Avalonia, and so it's currently not at parity with the 8.0 version, like as in there's like various things that are not yet implemented. So we're trying to re-implement everything in the Avalonia version first before we create pre-releases of it, is the idea. Oh, thank you, Will, for pasting that massive thing. Okay, excellent. I love that. Okay. So, yeah. So anyway, that's how that all works. It's very cool. But okay. Let's see. So you were doing the bindings. Okay, sick. So bindings are ready to merge now, so I'll do that. Excellent. So yeah, right now Will is doing his homework at the last minute, like on stream. And so we are merging everything in so that I can actually do stuff. Oh, nice. You like the little screen picker buttons being brought over. Excellent. I'm glad you did, sir. Okay. And then I will merge this script editor branch in, and then I will get started on working on the script editor. So actually, no, I have to post my next PR of the script editor. Oh yeah, inches in the stack trace. Let's see. I guess I just closed that. Yeah.
I hope this doesn't have like my private key in it.
Oh, dude, that would be so funny if it did. Holy shit. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. There, no, no.
Yay.
Yeah.
One more day without posting my private key. So no, but
That's
the Edo Forms version, for context, so the Edo Forms version is what we spent a couple years developing, like 2, maybe a year
no,
and
no,
a
no.
half or
Just one
something.
year.
Oh, just one year? Oh, okay.
Yeah, just 1 year.
Okay, well, it was a bit of overlap with Avalonia and the
It's
Edo Forms 2 for like a few
Avalonia.
months, I guess.
Avalonia. We started developing serial loops in 2023.
Jeez, really?
Yeah,
Feels
really.
like it feels like about 10 years ago.
No, yeah.
Um,
Look, you can see here if we go into releases. Oh my god, we have 6 pages of releases because of all the pre-releases. Our
oh
first
god, yeah.
pre-release was April 8th, 2023. So it's only been like a year
Cool.
and not even a year and a half. So kind of cool. Anyway, go ahead.
Okay.
What were you gonna say?
Yeah, the Edo Forms version is much more functional at the minute than the
Mhm.
Avalonia one. Not, we're catching up. Like, there's a lot of weird editors that the Edo Forms one
Yeah,
supports.
you should work on the save editor. Yeah, it's definitely an
Yeah,
important one.
yeah. I know. I started working on that and it didn't end up hearing it.
Serial loops. The only thing. No, I just searched for serial loops. I searched for serial. That's why. I have a
Oh,
bunch
well,
of
I get
things
the grocery
installed. You
store.
can see I have like a whole ton of stuff installed, so it's all good. But yeah. So I'm actually gonna show real quick. There's an uninstaller for serial loops as well, and so if I hit this, I can uninstall, and that it does a registry key to do that association, that file association. I don't have Google Chrome installed. That is true because I don't use Google Chrome. Um, okay, I'm gonna completely remove serial loops and all of its components, so it also undoes all of the registry keys will to do those file type associations and all that stuff. So
Oh,
extremely
right.
cool.
Yeah, of course.
That is, by the way, I will credit this in the thingy, but that uses this tool called InnoSetup. Um, and so I designed the setup editor. It has a wizard, Will. It has a wizard to make your setup thing.
It's got a wizard.
Yes, and then if I go into, I need to close out a bunch of this stuff. But if I go into the serial loops, actually, yeah, no, I will serial loops, install Windows. Oops, that's Mac. Oh my God, Windows, and then I open up serial loops ISS. You can see it has this Inno setup thing here. And so it's actually really nice. It has all of the things that your app will do. So it has like the language, tasks, files, registry, the icons you can install, and
Oh, cool.
the actual run commands that it actually runs the apps and stuff. It's a very simple little thing, and it has a compiler. So I just zipped up all the compilers and the compiler and all of its DLLs that it needs and all that, and put it on DigitalOcean. And so we just download it from storage and then just run the compiler in the build, and it builds the installer. It's so simple.
Well, that's great.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, and then we have like
Nice.
this little thing. We have a version macro here that gets
Yeah.
replaced with the actual version in the build, which is extremely nice. It's very cool. And we do that version macro replacement for like all of the different installations. So it always has the latest version for everything. So the one I'm struggling with right now, Will, is the Flatpak. But I will get back to that because I think that it's going to be very boring to do Flatpak stuff and like other installers on stream.
Yeah. It's cool though, but yeah.
It's
right.
very cool, but like you have to constantly wait for the builds to finish. So it would just be me sitting here waiting for builds to finish on stream, and each build takes like
Yeah.
10 minutes. So it would.
Oh, I didn't realize it took that long. Okay.
You can see the Flatpak actually takes the longest, but yeah, this. Oh my God, 17 minutes actually. Oh no, but that's not. That's additive, not cumulative. The full time is 11 minutes. It looks like. Oh no, 8 minutes, 10 minutes about. You can see Linux. Oh no, Linux Flatpak setup. Okay, so 8 minutes and something. So Linux Flatpak setup runs right before that, and then release runs for 30 seconds. So almost like 9 minutes basically, is the total build time. But here actually maybe it has on the summary page how long. Yeah, 9 minutes and 18 seconds is how long the build took. So yeah, pretty cool. But the Linux Flatpak thing takes like 7 minutes. It almost took almost 8 minutes to build the Flatpak for some reason. I don't really know why it takes that long. But we have to download a zip of DevKit ARM, and put that in.
Oh wow, that's so cool. I haven't
Yeah,
seen that.
Oh,
I never actually saw the action
oh
multiplier. It's so cool.
oh yeah, actions are really cool, dude. Like it's awesome.
I know.
Um,
Well, I've seen the action. I've used actions myself, but I didn't realize you actually like set it up to use multiple action processes connected.
oh
I thought
yeah.
it was just one big.
Oh
That's
no no
awesome.
no no. Yeah yeah yeah. No, it's got these. It's got a Mac OS package matrix that has the OS X and
Mm.
ARM64 and x64 versions. It has the Linux Flatpak setup, which goes into Linux Flatpak. Confusingly, this Mac OS one just goes directly into release, but it looks like it's going into Linux Flatpak, but it does not. And then
Mm.
there's these Linux and Windows ones down here that all run separately, but go into release as well. Um, so it's pretty cool. The reason that Flatpak setup and Flatpak are different is because the Flatpak image, I'm not sure you can't set up Python on it because it's a container that doesn't have like an easy Python setup for it. And so I set up all the Python script to generate all
Yeah.
of the nupkeg files. It like actually makes a manifest that downloads all of the nupkegs separately from the restore in the Flatpak way of doing things. Like it does a Flatpak
Mhm.
thing to all of the nupkegs, and then it actually compiles it not as a single release thing. It puts .NET on there and then like does all of the stuff it needs to do. It's actually really cool.
So interesting that it's the Linux one's the longest, but I guess most of that is downloading and compressing stuff, maybe.
It's mostly the
I guess it makes
compressing
sense.
of stuff. I think that's what takes a
Yeah.
really long time. You can see like the build Flatpak stage is what takes 6
Yeah, you
minutes
can
here.
see each bit what's taking the time there. Interesting.
Yeah. And you can see it also has to build make from source and build.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that'll do it.
Yeah, it builds make actually doesn't take that long, but it builds make from source, it downloads DevKit Pro, and it builds OpenAL from source as well, so that it has OpenAL installed in the Flatpak, which is all very cool stuff. So anyway,
We
uh,
should get these builds going on the Avalonia branch or merge to master.
yeah, I'm gonna merge our script editor now, and then I will put up once that script editor. Okay, I'm gonna now do a quick uploading my next PR. So git checkout Avalonia. Yes. Oh, I can't do that right now. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. Why? Why can't you do it? Why can't you do that? Okay, whatever. Just give up. Git pull. Awesome. Git branch, and we want the git fetch Jonko. Okay. What is it called? I have a branch up here that's like git. It's like script editor Avalonia even more continued or something like that. So Jonko 0493. And let's see, we have a branch, and it is called script editor Avalonia even more continued. So git checkout script editor Avalonia even more continued. Great name. Git merge Avalonia. Okay, so now we have merge conflicts. So let's go solve those.
Merge conflicts. Oh, you
Yeah.
have it open in VS Code at the same time. I didn't.
Oh, I always do
Yeah,
that
yeah.
for the merge conflicts at least.
Oh, you like the merge conflict editor better? Okay. Writer's
Yeah.
merge conflict editor is pretty good though. Have you
It
tried it?
doesn't let you collect. It doesn't let you save both, does it?
Yeah. Go and write it real quick.
Okay, I'll go and write her real quick. Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Okay, so merge here.
And so it's top right. It's the little green arrow.
Okay, that's confusing.
Then
Okay,
just,
so
if you just click merge, right? Just click merge. You'll be
okay,
confused, but then it'll take you to a conflict resolver. So then you cherry pick from left and right, and the middle's what you get.
okay, got it. So
There's only one at the top initially.
oh, I see. Okay, I can just do that, and it just does it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hit apply.
It'll tell you, oh, there's one left process, so continue merge for now. So if you click on you see on the right, there's that little
Oh,
green
I see.
bar. You got. Oh no,
Oh.
not yet. So yeah, continue merge. Then scroll down a bit, and you're gonna want to.
Okay, so wait, continue merge. Got it. Okay.
Yeah, so you only press apply when all your merges in that file are complete. So if you scroll to the top.
Okay, yeah.
And then first of all, there's that imp using merge that she got to bring on over. So you can just discard that, and that's it for this file.
Okay.
So you can do that, and then you hit
Hit
apply.
apply. Okay.
Yeah, and then you can do it for the more
merge.
complicated ones. Sorry, I don't mean to force you to use
No,
this
no,
if
no,
you
no,
don't
it's all
like
good.
it.
So this is. Oh no, this is actually not bad. Okay. I see how this
Yeah,
works. Okay, cool. And
you
so
see.
then. Okay, so I deleted this. That's good. So I can just delete it.
Yeah,
And then
bring that over.
Okay, and then I see. So I do this here. This here. Oh wait. Oh no, I did something bad.
You can just Control Z it, I think.
Okay. Oh nice. Okay, cool. So okay,
Yeah.
so I want to bring this over. Okay, so wait, this is from Avalonia. This is from Avalonia, even more continued. So these KBG discs, all that stuff. Okay, so this in for sure. This in from here. This in for sure. Okay.
And then you just hit X next to the ones you don't want. So if you
Yeah.
go up,
Okay, got it. So hit
you've
X
resolved that
here.
conflict.
Okay.
And it tells you you've done everything in that
Okay.
file.
Cool. Okay. Actually,
I
this is pretty
personally
lit.
prefer this to
VS Code.
VS Code. Yeah,
Okay,
I
it's
like
pretty
VS
lit.
Code's one. I figured I would. I don't know. I think I would show you what the writer can do.
Okay, this is pretty
So
interesting.
what you can do, where you've got loads of change on the left and you want most of them, is just go the ones on the right, and then when you're done, click all from the left. So
Got
if you
it.
just go to the ones on the right you want to do.
Okay. Okay. So it looks like we have. Oh, I see. We did two. No, no, no. This is just the same. Okay, so I'm gonna bring
So
in
in
this.
the middle. Oh, I wanted to show you something real quick.
Yeah, go
Just
for it.
Control
Go
Z
for
real
it.
quick.
Okay.
Press undo real quick.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you see there's a little magic option. Sometimes that's not what you want, but it kind of sometimes can kind of generate like what you probably want.
Oh, nice. Okay,
And
cool.
maybe that's it, right?
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the topic fly out here.
And there's one more at the bottom.
Oh, and there's one more at the bottom here. Yeah. Okay. And then this is draw the topic fly out. Okay, cool. And then I can just do all from
you
left.
missed one as well.
Oh, I missed one down here. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. There is stuff.
Yeah.
Oh,
Little
yeah,
blue
labels.
lines.
Oh, I made it private. That's right. Okay. Dude, this is so lit. Okay. And so then I can do, where's the all from left? Oh, I see.
Top
this
left.
one. This one. Okay, cool.
Boom.
Apply, and then merge. Okay, this is actually pretty lit.
Yeah. The strings files is kind of where it falls apart sometimes. Maybe so. If you look at the blue line, you see there's one kind of in the middle.
Okay,
yeah, that's from the right.
Easy.
And
yeah,
then
there you go. And then at the bottom, yeah. Okay.
There's one from the left side as well, by the looks of things.
Okay.
If you see on the left.
Oh yeah. Load sound.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Do that. Oh, awesome.
And you can just
okay.
You can just accept all from the right then, because then there's all the rest ones.
Apply. Wow. Okay. Writer's kind of lit.
You've done it. You've done it, I think.
Okay. Hell yeah. All right. Get status. Oh my god, and it auto added them too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about that? I also really like writers built-in get stuff, but that's just me. I find it easy because what I do. Do you sign your commits with a key?
No.
Primary key.
I'm lazy as fuck.
No, the way I am as well. And the way I've done that is what I've done is I have like my password manager which stores my key, and so my password manager hooks into like the IDE and
interesting.
Injects itself into the Git signing thing.
Okay, that's kind of cool.
So it pops up my password manager each time, and then that just unlocks my key and signs it. Which is nice.
That's actually pretty lit. Okay. So I'm making the new PR that you can take a look at in a sec.
Cool. Yeah, of course.
So this is this is a large diff. Oh damn. Sorry, bro.
It's okay.
Oh no, this is not a large. Oh no, it is. It's a large diff. Okay. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna love it.
Yeah. Okay. Strings designer, whatever. Adds a new string that's load sound or whatever. Yeah. Okay. So this one adds BGM sound, BGM play, script editor. It adds flag script editor, sound play. Okay, I need to be doing this up top. Okay. This adds the following command editor script command editors. Sorry everyone for string. Okay, so BGM play. and it also adds flag script editor, just the flag, and it adds. Oh wait, no, you know what? There's an easier way to do this. It's just to open it up in Writer and go into View Models, Editors, Script Editor. Oh wait, is there an error in this now? Script edit, generate preview image. Why is that giving an error? What? What did I do? What happened with this merge conflict?
What?
I don't know. Okay, we go into script item. There's also an error there. What
Oh,
what
was there
happened?
was that a merge conflict? Was that?
Oh, is it a merge conflict at the top?
No.
Okay, here. First of all, let's remove unused. Oh wait, no, that might not be unused if I scroll down or something. Oh, there's a bunch of things at the bottom that are errored. Okay, so is
Oh,
there
what
just
the
too
hell?
many? No? What's going on here? Okay, so we got an if, an else.
Oh no, that
Oh,
the
there is.
brackets
There's
aren't
too
lined up.
many. There's too many. Yeah, okay, cool.
Is that it? Oh, it must have been the thing I told you to do. Didn't work quite well.
That's
Better
okay.
check that sometimes. Yeah.
That's okay. Okay, and then KD. Can I do? Oh yeah, KD reformats the whole document. Perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Very cool. Okay, so now the script item works. Okay, so fix merge conflict. Hit add fix merge conflict. Hit push. Okay. So the things I added here, we added BGM play, voice play, flag. Okay, so BGM play, voice play, flag, topic get, toggle dialogue. Was toggle dialogue in there before? Oh wait, it'll be toggle dialogue. Yes, it was not in there before. Toggle dialogue. Screenshot shop. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's what we added. All right, Will, go forth
Okay.
and review. Oh, it also adds. This also adds a script preview for topic get, which closes one of our issues.
I was also working on a
Topic
topic
get
editor, by the way.
add MSI is also now in preview or in PR. So it is render topic get. So closes 407. Where is? Oh, here it is. It's over here. Okay. Closes
It's just
number
me, by the way.
407.
Or are the buttons for numeric steppers in Avalonia kind of nuts?
Are they nuts? What's it doing?
Like I always think they're really. Oh no, just visually, I just think they're really big. Like it's kind of. I kind of preferred the Eto style. I wonder if we can change that.
We can definitely change it if you don't like how big the buttons are.
Yeah, I was thinking I'm putting them one on top of the other, like it was with Eto.
Okay, yeah,
Maybe.
that's like easy to restyle for sure.
Is it? Okay, cool. That's good.
Yeah, you just do a style like like XAML style thing. To like
Yeah. Okay.
like you can
That's cool.
define everything. You can override pretty much everything with styles in Avalonia.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really nice.
The default styles are mostly really nice though, like just in general.
It is, yeah, I like it a lot. Okay. Yeah, so we have this guy is up, and then the other thing I wanted to do was in pull requests our installers. I wanted to say we're gonna closes add MSI. Closes add MSI. Okay. Yep. Excellent. Closes add MSI. That's so beautiful. Audio is pretty quiet. Turn up your volume. Sorry. If I turn it up anymore, it will peak, I think. I have I have it low specifically to avoid peaking. I can turn it up a little. I don't know. It goes into the yellow range here. I'll turn it up a little bit. Testing, testing, and I'll turn up Will a little bit too. Okay, is that better?
Yay.
Hopefully
Maybe.
that's a little bit better. I don't know. I turned it up quite a little bit, so it should be a little louder now. It's at 100 LOL. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant like your system. Oh, your system volume is at 100. I see. It can't go any higher. Okay. Well, hopefully it's a little better now. I did turn it up. So okay. Oh, the script editor PR failed already on Linux. Which probably will fail on all of them. What happened? Ah, log me in. Stop it. Log me in.
Topic editor's good to go, by the way. Just
Oh,
tested
excellent.
that. It's
Okay,
good
cool.
stuff.
Oh, thanks.
Just
Yeah,
prove
it's super easy. Okay. Oh, apparently SL Converters has a merge conflict in that branch. I will deal with that in a second after I figure out why this is failing. Oh, I can check my tests. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have libopenal. Do I care? I don't give a shit that it doesn't have OpenAL. Why is that failing? That I don't understand. Whatever. Why is it trying to play OpenAL? Okay, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna Will, it's only gonna fail on Linux, and it's just because the test render doesn't have OpenAL, so I'm just gonna override the merge on this branch once you test it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that now.
Okay, cool. Awesome. And then I will fix up the topic editor real quick.
Okay, you know what really grinds my gears? How the strings file always gets added as a thing that produces merge conflicts.
I love that too. It's beautiful. Okay. And then I'm gonna.
We did fix that, didn't we? By the way, there was an issue with that, wasn't there? That we fixed.
Yeah, we fixed it. We fixed it. Yeah. It was generation.
Yeah.
And the other thing I did remember is I made it a public generator now. Louder.
Yeah.
Louder says gig. Okay, it's definitely
Louder!
better. No, don't yell. Don't yell. Don't do
Sorry.
it. You're peeking.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay. So let me do git checkout Avalonia. Let me make sure oh shit, I spelled it wrong. Oh, I spelled it wrong again. Okay. Git pull in case there was a merge. Yeah, okay, no, we're good. Okay. Git merge Avalonia. Okay. So we're gonna do this again. Okay. Merge. Okay. So first thing we're gonna pull in the Skia merge. Okay. The second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull in this stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Are you happy?
I'm almost happy. Give me. Wait, why is the? Is it just me, or is the new update available screen sometimes not render the markdown?
It doesn't render the markdown always. I don't know why that is.
Okay, that's not just you. Okay, cow. Yeah, we'll do that later. Low priority. Maybe, probably shouldn't, but we should probably consider merging this just to master so we can get those auto builds up on each commit and auto things. But I know it's still technically not parity with Eto, so maybe not.
I don't really want to. We can do we can have the Avalonia build run and just not post releases, and you can just download the artifacts directly from the build. They expire after a day, but if all you wanted to do is like produce artifacts on every day, we can do that and just not post pre-releases. I would be fine doing that.
Could do.
Okay.
Yeah, that might be quite. I probably should do that. Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Looks like everything's working on here. Let me check the topic editor real quick and make sure it works. After this.
Did you change audio playing in this PR?
Is it not working?
It's working, but it's producing horrible like stuttering. Can you open peace in here now? That's what I've just replicated what I'm doing. Oh, it sounds perfect for you. What the hell?
Sucks for you, dude. Sucks for you. Sucks for you, damn.
Wait, let me try another one. Hold on.
Oh, I'm not on that same branch. So I will test that in a second. Yeah, let me
Okay,
open the
yeah.
topic editor real quick and just make sure it works. Okay, it works. Cool.
Yeah, it works for me.
And then I will merge the topic editor in a second. Okay, so I want to be on Git checkout script editor. Yeah, even more continued.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm getting stuttering when I play back audio. I was just doing it because I was testing play BGM, so I figured I'd just click through to make sure I was still
Okay,
working.
sure. I'm
So
just
I
gonna check
noticed
real
it.
quick. Let me just see if it's stuttering. I didn't change anything,
Okay,
just to be clear.
it maybe is just me then. I just tried another audio file and it seems to do that. So maybe I'll try making a new project.
Yeah, it might just be something weird with that. I don't know. Okay, peace in the here and
Yeah.
now. You said. Oh yeah, I'll do that in a second.
Yeah. Cool. Well, it
Oh
was all
hi,
wrong, but
Ligadink. How's it going? Oh, he put in one
also
message and then left. Okay, never mind.
also affects audio, by the way. Sorry, voice playback.
That would make sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. No, it's
Oh.
you. You suck.
What the hell? Hang on, let me try make a new project. Hang on.
Oh, but middle click to close tab is not working now. That's weird.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what
Okay.
that's about. I have to look into that. That's weird. Yeah, it's just you. It's just you, man.
Yeah. English patch version 0.5.
Hello, Mr. Taki. Good to see you. Okay.
Hello.
Mr. Taki is the DBZ guy, in case you were wondering.
I like how we've managed to avoid talking about your presidential election, by the way.
Oh, dude, I don't want to. I don't want to at all. It's so bad. It's so bad. I, it's so
I'm so
bad.
sorry.
We're so fucked, dude. It's so bad.
Yeah.
My country is.
Yeah, it's just
My country
yeah,
tis of
I can't
thee.
believe that. Crazy, crazy.
It's really
Okay, for
bad.
some reason this really isn't working for me, Jonko. Can I just show you what I'm experiencing?
Yeah, sure.
Sharing
1
screen.
second. Let me check out the topic editor and push it real quick, so I can.
Yeah, Tropic Editor is good.
Okay, cool. I'm going to pull up your screen real quick. Okay, I'm watching now. Oh, dude, that sucks so hard for you, dude.
Right?
Are you on Mac or Windows?
Windows.
Are you running? No, I know what it is. Will. Are you running the NetAdo Windows version, or are you running NetAdo?
Let me just check my writer.
Yeah.
Build config, edit configurations, net 8.0.
Yeah, you need to run NetAdo Windows on Windows.
Okay.
Because
I think
you don't
someone
have
told me that before.
you don't. It was me. You don't have OpenAL on your machine, or if you do, it's
I
like a bad
see.
thing or whatever. I don't know.
I forget. What's the backup? What's the backup for OpenAL? Is it
It's
nothing?
not. It's not a backup. The main one is Wave Out from NAudio.
Yeah.
That is what it is. And on NetAdo we use OpenAL. On NetAdo Windows we use NAudio's Wave Out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So, and OpenAL is not good on Windows, or just
It just doesn't come with Windows by default, and you don't need
interesting.
it. You don't need it
I
because we
wonder
have
how
the
it's even
native Wave Out.
playing.
I don't know how it's
I'm
even
very
playing.
curious.
I don't know
Right?
how it's
Yeah.
playing. That's very confusing. But yeah, if you load it up with NetAdo Windows, it will work, and that's what we produce in all of our builds is NetAdo Windows.
Yeah, I figured it must be just something like that. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. That's good. I don't know. I swear I stuck to net 8.0 Windows. It's because I think I passed this file over from my Mac. Like I moved my writer config over because I made my own writer config. Sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, it's a whole ass editing suite. It is. You can do pretty much everything here. I'll just give a little tour of it. It sounds beautiful now. Perfect. Yeah. See, Wave Out is so we use NAudio for playback, Will, and NAudio is originally a Windows only library, and so it has these playback things for Windows specifically that are like Wave Out, WAS API, all that stuff. And so we use Wave Out on Windows as the playback, but we have to use a different implementation of iWave Player that was made third party, which is the OpenAL player on Linux and Mac. And so that's what we use. OpenAL is installed by default on Mac, and then we have it as a dependency in all of our packages except for the tarball for Linux. So.
Gotcha. Good little walk around. All right, cool. It's good to know. I've noted that for the future. It sounds so crispy.
Excellent. Okay, cool.
Makoto whispering weird things.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. I'm so glad that I could fix that for you. Oh, perfect. You have approved my PR. Thank you, sir. Oh, that's the topic editor. Never mind. You haven't approved the other one yet. That's okay.
No, this one is almost good to go. I just need to check
The
flag
remainder of them.
and topic
Also,
get.
look at topic get in the script preview, dude. I actually render the topic preview. It's
Oh,
really
you
cool.
do? Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, I added that.
Awesome.
It adds the topic get preview. It's very cool.
Need to find a file with topic get in it.
Yeah.
It'll be one of these character tags.
EVT1 003 is the first one with topic get. Or EV1003.
Yeah. EV1.
EV1003 is the first one that has a topic get in it. What we really need to add is we need to add command-based search. You need to implement the search dialog.
We do. Yeah.
Implement
we
the
need to
search
have
dialog.
deep search.
Yeah, advanced search, and I want to have, now that we have Avalonia like making things easier for us, I want to have it so that you can search within a script file on the script editor, and we'll highlight specific commands and dialogue lines and things like that.
Yeah, we should have that, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we should.
We should.
We
Topic
should.
get. Oh, you render the topic obtained thing. That's so cool.
Yeah, I render it fully.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, and it has like the specific
Color.
image that will the specific card image, for the topic that you get.
We don't. Wait, what?
What's the issue?
Have you got that branch open still?
Well, I can get it open. 1 second. Oh no, I have it open. Oh no, I don't. Let me check out.
Try clicking the item link in a topic get.
Oh, it doesn't work well because it doesn't have the topic editor merged yet.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. That confused the hell out of me. Yeah, I gotcha. I'm on the same page.
Yeah, once the topic editor merges, it will be fine. Yeah.
Good stuff.
So
good stuff. And finally, toggle dialogue. I just saw that. It's just above it. Cool. It toggles the dialogue. Lovely. And then I'll just check that, and it makes it go. Really good. Voice play works as BGM play does. Finally, flag. That's gonna be one of these files for control purposes.
EV1001 has a bunch of flags.
Yeah. Flag.
Oops, I didn't mean to open Visual Studio. Fuck Visual
Studio. Did we always have these noops? The noops weren't in the original editor.
Oh, no ops, you mean? Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
They've always been there. Yeah, they've always been there.
Did we render them?
No, because they don't do anything.
Yeah, right, okay.
They're no ops.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Why are they in there? Do we ever figure that out? Do we ever do that reverse?
No, they were probably removed commands. They probably used to do things and they don't anymore.
For debug or something.
Maybe, yeah, but they all like literally just BXLR. Like it just goes in and then BXLRs and then comes back. That's all it is. Yeah, so they probably used to do things, but we don't have labels for these commands. Like I made up the names for all of the commands, and so I have no idea what any of them do.
There's an incredibly long markdown file somewhere.
Yeah.
With the spec basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Of the game.
That is what it is. Yeah. Why is the Mac build or test taking so long? I don't understand.
It's gonna be fun when we implement dragging.
Oh yeah, that's your job. I'm not doing that shit.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Let's merge this.
Okay.
That's good.
Awesome. Once Mac, I don't actually care if Mac goes. I'm gonna merge without waiting for requirements once you approve. Because we were already waiting for the Linux thing that's not working, so I don't really give a shit. Cool. Merge.
Why is Linux not working? And you mentioned
OpenAL is not installed.
Oh.
And for some reason that's causing a failure now. I don't know why.
Does it even work on? Does OpenAL work okay on Linux? Yes.
Yeah, it does. That's the main thing.
Okay.
That's the main thing it's installed with. I just don't know why in the past it didn't fail without having OpenAL, and now it's failing without having OpenAL for some reason, and I don't know why that is. So I don't really care, to be frank. I'll fix it later when I'm not on stream. I'm not going to investigate that right now. I don't give a shit.
Yeah, cool.
So, okay. So I'm just gonna merge without these checks because we know it's working. Oh, actually, no, I don't care. We're merging. We don't care. Okay. Script editors merged. And so that's everything except for the thing I'm not going to do right now, which is the file scope namespaces, because that's too much of a merge conflict to solve right now. And the installers, which, like I said, I have to finish working on the Flatpak a little bit before I do the installers fully.
Awesome.
So, okay, let us check out Avalonia. Git pull. and then git checkout b script editor Avalonia even more commands. Okay, so now we're going to get started on making more commands. So we have our script command editors, and I'm just going to walk you through the process of making some script editor commands. I don't want to move anything, Ryder. Why would I want to do that? So Avalonia, the way we're doing free will roast. Yeah, we're roasting Will over here. Absolutely. So Avalonia has the way we're doing Avalonia at least is called model view model is the pattern we're using. And model view model is it means that we have models which we hold in this lib project mostly, and the models are the actual representations of things in the game itself, mostly files, but we abstract the files into items. So like there's script items, topic items, all kinds of different stuff that are editable as units for users of the project. Then we have the view models. Actually, I should talk about the views. The views are these things. So as an example, here is the script editor view. If I pull up the preview, you can see we have a preview of what the script editor looks like. So this is XAML Markdown, or markup, I guess. And this is a representation of what the script editor will look like on the screen. And then the last thing is the view models, which serve as the glue between the model and the view. And so what we're doing here is we have the script editor has this content presenter in here that serves as the current commands editor. So when you select, and you can see it's actually bound to the current command view model. So when you select a command, it pulls up the view model for that command and displays the command there. So when we want to add a new command, what we're going to do is we're going to go into script editor view model. The last command we added was topic get. Or actually, no, it was toggle dialog. Yeah, writer. I know I'm going to decompile stuff. So when the next command that we're going to implement is select. So what we're going to do is the first thing we do is we add a view model. We're going to call it script editor view. Script editor. Oh wait. Sorry. We're going to call it, what was the select script command editor view model. Yeah, sure, I'll add it to Git, whatever. I really don't care about that. I also don't care about any of this stuff. Okay, awesome. Also, you see, Will, I have my settings to make it look like Visual Studio because that's what I'm used to.
Yeah,
the
I
colors.
see that.
The theming
Yeah,
is Visual
fair
Studio.
enough.
Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to have this extend script command editor view model, and then we're going to implement public select script editor view model, and it will take in a script item command. Oops, not script item. Script item command. Command and script editor view model script editor, and then we extend the base of that. And so this is the construct. What did I just fucking do? And so this is the script editor for that, or the way we do this, basically. Okay. So we have the view model. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the view real quick. So for that, we go in here. We have Avalonia user control, and we call it select script command editor view.axaml. And yeah, sure, we add both of those to Git because I don't give a shit. I should really make that just the default thing. And this is what I mean, Will. It actually, the Visual Studio Avalonia extension puts the new views in just serialloops.view name, and this actually does the namespace correctly. I don't know why the Visual Studio one is so bad. It's really annoying. So this one actually works appropriately, which is great.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is. And so then we can add the view model class, or the view model namespace rather, VM equals using serialloops.view models.editors.script command editors. And then we do x data type equals VM select that. Okay, perfect. So now we have a view model, or a view and view model for the select script command editor. And so let's take a look real quick. we can look at, and so the next thing we want to do here is just make sure we have this added. Command verb dot select equals new select selected command this. Okay. And then we also don't render a preview for select yet, so that's another thing I'm going to try to implement in this time around. I think that's what we're going to see. We're going to see me doing a whole bunch of stuff, right? Will, it's going to be great.
Yeah.
And so okay, so the next thing we're going to do in here is we're going to go into, let's see, what would be a good thing to look at? Probably just, I need to look at in the lib, I think, and do script. Script item command probably is what has it. Yes. Okay. I think. Yeah, it does. Okay. So select, and then these are the parameters for select. So one thing that we can do, Will, at some point is we probably should like simplify some of this stuff since we're no longer using these parameter names and stuff.
Yeah.
So we might consider simplifying some of this stuff at some point, but right now it doesn't matter. This is just the model. We did not change any of the models when we converted to Avalonia, but that's fine. So what we want here is we're going to have, should this be like an array of options maybe? It could be. No, let's just do option 1, option 2. So these are all option script parameters, and if we open up that real quick, we can see the option has a choices section entry is the object. So we'll do let's see, it would be in items. Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. Actually, probably is the easiest way of doing it. Observable collection. Wait, no. How do I want to do this actually? Public observable collection. Option. And we're going to do choices section entry. Choices section entry. Options. Actually, let's make this private first. Oh, actually, no. If it's... Oh, no, we want to do it differently. Okay, we're going to do it by each option. So private choices section entry option 1, public choices section entry, option 1. So we're going to start with just one option, and we're going to see if we can get it working. Set option this dot raise, and set if changed ref option 1 value. And this is all just boilerplate for making the reactive Avalonia stuff work. So it actually updates when we change the value automatically. It binds things well. So we do option 1, and so then we can do the actual assigning stuff to the script in this set. So option script parameter command dot parameters 0 dot option, and that option is equal to option 1, and then we go into the script. Oh wait, no, this is not cast. Script dot event dot script sections, and this is a really stupid way of doing it, but this is what I did for reasons. I forget why I started doing it this way. Index of command dot section dot objects command dot index dot parameters 0 equals, and this is option 1 dot ID, I think is what it is. Yeah, it's ID. Short that. Okay. So this should set it appropriately whenever it changes. And then in here we can do option 1 equals option script parameter. Yeah, actually perfect. Okay. I love it when writer auto completes things. Wow. So this is great. So this should appropriately make the option work. And then the other thing we can do actually is in a different window, we can open up SL Backup, which is the 8.0 version of serial loops. And we can see what this editor looked like in the original version, which will just make our lives a little easier. Also, Will, if you don't mind, real quick, I'm gonna go to the restroom real fast. So
That's okay. That's okay.
I'm
I'm actually cooking something right
Oh,
now.
you're cooking
so...
something? Holy shit!
Yeah.
Okay, Will's cooking over
It's
there.
kind of dumb, but I
Oh,
wanted
no.
I wanted to do
Will's
something.
cooking, so
it's
I'm gonna
not that dumb. It's quite cool. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show what Will is doing when he gets back. So I'm gonna go real quick to the
Alright.
restroom, and I will be right back. So here, enjoy the "Be Right Back" music. Don't leave. Thank you. Bye.
複雑なことが絡み合いまくりスティでもう目の前が見えないや青く澄んだ空永遠に澄み渡ってジェット機が小さく消えてった何気ない仕草と何気なく交わした会話がここに素のシミを作って波紋を描いて広がるその最初の石を平野と川に投げたんだ最初
All right, so I'm back now. So what we're gonna do in here is we're gonna go into Ado real quick. We're gonna do this EV1. So you can see this looks much worse, first of all, in my opinion, compared to the Avalonia one. But that's okay. So we can go in here, and there should be a select in here somewhere. And if not, I can add one. But there is a select. I know there is. So.
This work. What I'm doing works. It's going to be very funny and slightly cool.
Okay, cool. I like.
This
Very
is the
funny
UI,
and
little
slightly
UI thing, little UI thing that I was kind of curious about.
Okay,
See if it would look
okay.
nice.
Cook. Oh, here's the select. Okay.
Cooking.
Okay, so we have our options and we have our display flags here. So these are the different options. You can see they actually list the text for them. And we actually have a choices tab up here that has the choices. So I need to add that choices tab so that we can edit these choices. And so I might do that as well in this PR. But for now, what we're going to do is we can go into these. Should the choices section entry actually be a string? So first of all, I have to make it so that this has an array of all the different choices that are available. This is annoying. Okay. So, so I guess... Oh, no, I don't have to do it that way. Okay, so public choices section entry, available choices, get. And then I can do here, I can do choices section, choices section entry, observable collection of choices section entry. Oh, this will actually, if it's an observable collection, we might be able to bind it so that it actually updates when new choices come available, which would be kind of cool.
Okay.
I kind of like that. So let's actually see if I can do it that way, because that would be... okay, so let's just see... Well, no, because it's a script, so it's a list, so I have to... Well, I don't know. We can look into it. We can look into it later. I'm not going to do it right now. So we do this, a new observable collection, and we do script dot choice options, script dot sections, script dot event dot choices section dot objects, and that should actually just do the trick. Can I go in and make this? Okay, let's actually see. This is in the Chokoretsu lib, I'm pretty sure. This is in... Yeah, this is in Haruhi Chokoretsu lib. But does Chokoretsu lib have reactive components? I don't think it does. I don't think I made it reactive. So I don't think I can do it that way. But whatever. And the script object itself doesn't have anything about choices, does it? No, I don't think it does. Okay, whatever. So this is the available choices. And so now if we go into the view, we should be able to do this. So we're going to make a grid. Okay. And our grid is going to have the following column definitions, auto, auto, and then row definitions, and it has to have 8 of them. So auto, 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 auto. And then what we can do is, the first thing we'll do is we'll do text block, grid.column equals 0, grid.row equals 0, text equals, oh, and I have to add another namespace here. So we're going to add XMLS assets equals using string serial loops.assets. And then that way we can bind it to a localized string, x static asset strings dot option 1. Perfect. So that's going to make option 1 text. And actually, if we open up the script preview, you can see nothing yet. Okay. I don't know why that is, but whatever. And then if we go in here, we can do combo box grid.row grid.column equals 1, grid.row equals 0. Oh, and I should do margins on these. Margin equals 0700, and then margin equals 10000. And then combo box dot item template, and then we do a quick data template. And we make this data template, data type, and this is where I have to do XMLS, and this is hlib, and using haruhi chokuretsu lib dot archive dot event, and this is going to be a choices hlib choices section entry. Perfect. And then we do a text block. Text equals binding text. Okay, so theoretically now, oh no, sorry, we have to then bind this, bind items source equals binding what was it called? Choice, available choices. And then we can actually do selected item binding option 1. So that should make it so that it displays all of the choices in the combo box, and then also displays the specific option 1 that's selected, and it should display their text specifically. This is what's really cool about Abalone. We don't have to do any extra work to like make it so it changes things or anything like that, and it just automatically displays exactly what we want. No special logic there. It's really
Abalone
nice.
is good. It just
It's
works
very good
a lot of the time.
It's really good. I love it. So we're going to open up the project. Oh, did you make a thing work?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to push up a branch and I'll take a look at it?
Let me polish. Let me do a little polish.
Okay, quick. He's going to do a little polishing.
You keep working.
And then I'm going to keep working. So
yeah.
So we go down. We're going to look at this select command again, and this time in this one. And it should pull up. Oh, look at that. It has go swimming. So the text is incorrect because we need to apply a converter to it, but it works perfectly. That's so beautiful. That makes me so happy. So this is the choice text. You can see all of the available choices here. Beautiful. I love that. I love that so much, actually. That's so great. That's so cool. Okay. So yeah, so you can see it's using the full width text here. That's unfortunate, but we can do a conversion for that. Somehow. I deleted the converter for this automatically, the automatic converter. So I guess I might have to make a new class for these that auto converts over. How do I want to do this is a good question. I could bring back that converter too. I might have to bring back that converter. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I wanted to get rid of that converter because it has a static project object on it, which kind of sucks. I don't like having static objects
Yeah,
in a
right.
converter. But it needed it in order to work. So, I don't know. How should I do this? I think that's probably the best way to do it because we're not actually editing the choices in this. So it doesn't really matter if I have, yeah, I might just bring back that converter. For now, I'm going to bring back the converter, I think. So we go back into here, we do utility, SL converters, and we're going to build. Actually, no, I don't necessarily need to do that because I can build a multi-value converter that doesn't need the static project because it doesn't need to convert back because I'm not changing that value. So that's perfect. So public class. Oh wait, no. Do I already have one? Text. Oh, I did not get rid of the text substitution converter. It looks like it's already here. Hilarious. Do I use it anywhere? I don't. I just never got rid of it. Amazing. Okay, maybe that was in the merge conflict. I didn't get rid of it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it now. Public class text substitution converter, multi-value converter. And then we're going to just use this real quick. And then, so then we're gonna have original text, and then project equals project values 1, and then return original text dot get substituted string project. Okay, so this should work now as a multi-value converter. If I then add another parameter to this, which is the project. So window.open project. And so then if I go into this model here, I can make project and do is there not a project on the base? Oh, there isn't. Okay, well, that's fine. And then just do, I can do public project, open project, get set, or just get, probably, I don't need a setter on it. And then open project equals project. Okay. And then in here now, I can do a multi-value converter on this. So this text block. Oh wait, no, I need to do, how do I do a multi-value converter? Multi-value converter.
Oh
so
yeah,
I'll
I was
do
messing with some binding stuff a minute ago.
Oh yeah, it's a fun thing. Display
Can be pretty fun.
name converter. Okay, so I have to have utility. So well, let's fix this up real quick. Okay, and then I do. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is this XML. Oh, I changed my language to Chinese for a second. Okay, utility equals using serial loops.utility. And we're gonna have X key is our we want our text substitution converter, and then let's see how does this work in here. Okay, so we have text blocks.text. Oh, I see. Okay, so text block, instead of doing that, we do /text block, and then text block.text. Oops. And then we do multi-binding. Oops, how do I do that? Is multi-binding not a thing I have access to? Multi-binding converter equals static resource text substitution converter. Okay, I just didn't have IntelliSense for it, but that's fine. And then binding path equals binding text. And then binding path equals parent. Binding parent. Okay, I do parent somewhere. Yeah, parent. Editors, group selection, editor view. Okay. Parent. Okay, I have to do another namespace. Editors equals using serial loops dot views dot editors dot script command editors dot editors select script. Okay, so that's the parent. And then I have to do the data context on it. Which, if we pull this back up, dot VM select script editor view model data context dot open project. Okay, that should theoretically work. That's like an insane thing to do, but it should work. So now when we open this up, oh, it ran an error. Okay.
Did you add the ability for commands to have icons?
No, but they can because they're iTree items.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
So
Very
I didn't specifically add that. It's just that iTree items have the ability to have icons, and they are iTree items. So
okay.
by
Well, one
default,
of the
they
things,
can.
there's one thing I was working on, which is a small thing which I implemented, which is pretty interesting. Very small detail. But then I was thinking of having some little character faces next to dialogue specifically.
Oh, I
And
kind of
this
love
only
that.
supports SVG, so I was thinking of having the not the thingy, the item description tree item, adding another one for bitmap, for an SK bitmap renderer.
I actually love that, Will. That's really
might do
cute.
that.
Okay, look at this. It worked. The multi-value converter is fully working. So now it converts the choices into their text. So that's fantastic.
Yay.
Awesome. Very cool. Yeah, so we might change this eventually, but for now, this is totally fine, I think. Yeah, awesome. Fantastic.
Awesome.
I know, it is. I'm very happy about it. Yeah, I think the thing that we'll change it to eventually maybe is, like, rather than having it bound to available choices, we'll bind it to the actual scripts, or, like, the script editor's list of choices.
Yeah.
Like that view model will have a list of choices that it has access to, and we'll bind it to that instead. And I think that will make more sense. And I might do that in a second, but for now, I'm just going to get this working, and then I'll do that. So when I look at this, it has the original one, actually. It does not have the blank ones, so it must be doing something to get rid of those blank ones. So let's take a look at that real quick. in this thing's monstrous script editor file. It's really horrible, but that's okay. You know, we did what we did our best with Ado, and that's fine. So select. Oh, maybe choice option probably. So we have new list item none, key equals 0, and then we do skip 1 and skip last. Okay, so we always do that. So that actually makes sense. So in here we will do dot objects skip 1, skip last 1, and oh, I can just do skip last. Oh no, it's skip last 1. I just added an extra set of parens by accident. Okay. And then I will do actually this. New choices section entry text equals none, ID equals 0, dot append. Oh, actually, I can't do it this way. I have to do new list choices section entry, and then I can do new. I have to import that. That's fine. And then I can do dot concat with this. And that should work for now. Okay. And then I can put an extra paren at the end here, and then do a new here. And that should work. Oh no, and that already had the extra paren. Okay. Now that should work. So then we can recompile this, and it should look exactly like it did in the original script editor. So that's very cool. Hopefully it doesn't crash. It probably no, it won't. It won't. It won't crash. It won't crash.
That's always the dream. We hope it doesn't crash, but you never know.
You do never know. It's true, but I'm pretty sure it won't. I'm pretty sure it won't. Okay, so if I select none doesn't crash it. Okay, perfect. This is beautiful. Incredible. And then I just have to make it so it updates the script editor's unsaved changes status, or the script's unsaved changes status. Okay, there we go. So that's perfect. Yeah, okay, that's beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was actually surprisingly easy to do. So I guess we'll just replicate this. So actually what we can do here maybe is make this a quick function. So we'll do private void edit option parameter. And we will do int index and choices section entry choice. We'll do option since just to keep it consistent. So option and index and option. So now what we can do here is edit option parameter and then do 0. Perfect. And then we can just replicate this a couple of times. I don't know how many times I just did that. Probably, hopefully the right number. So that we can make this option 2, option 2, option 2, option 2, option 2, and 1. And then option 3, option 3, option 3. Now again, I could do this as an array, but for some reason I don't want to. We might come back and do it as an array later if that makes more sense to do, but for now this is fine, I think.
Yeah.
And then 2 there, and then okay, so I just have to do it one more time. Oh, I see. I did. I don't know how that happened. Whatever. Option 4, option 4, option 4, option 4. Okay. Cool. So now, and then we can initialize all these as option 4, 3, 2. And then we just do in the script editor view. Yeah, no, this is gonna suck actually. Let's make it an array. Let's make it an array. Fuck it. We're going ham. We're doing it. Okay. So what we're gonna do here now is we're gonna redo this and we're gonna make it an observable collection. Although the problem is I don't know what happens if we edit the individual elements of the observable collection. Oh, I know what I can do. I know how to do this. Okay, we're good. We got this. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this observable collection of choices, section entries, selected choices, get, and we're gonna do selected choices add one, two, three. And we're gonna make this initialized. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this a content, or no, an items control, I guess. Grid dot column equals 0 or 1, grid dot row equals 0. Oh wait, no. Items control. Okay, whatever. Items control. And I guess we just have to make it 1 row now, and we can make it 2 rows up here. Grid dot row equals 0. And now what we can do is we can put how do I want to do this? Okay, no, I'm just going to do the other thing for now. I don't want to do it this way. This is too hard. Yeah, I don't want to do this. Okay. So we're just going to do it this way, even though it kind of sucks, it's fine. We're just going to do this, and we're going to paste it 4 times, or 3 times rather, and then we're going to make each of these row 1, row 1, make this option 2, bind this to option 2, row 2, row 2, bind it to option 3, and option 3, and then make it row 3, 3, bind it to option 4, and option 4. So now when we do this, it should work. We've like significantly dropped off in concurrent viewers as I would
we've been locking in. We've been locking
I
in.
locked in and I lost concurrent viewers. And people were like, "Oh my god, he's like too locked in. I'm scared." That's okay. I'm real locked in. It's fine. I don't mind. I love being locked in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, it's the most productive stream, to be fair, we've had.
It is.
So.
Yeah, the other streams we were not nearly as productive as this. So, and that's fine. Okay, so that. Oh right, I have to set the values of them. Okay. So now what I have to do is set these values, default values, and set it 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, but if it's null, I have to set it to none, right? So okay, so I have to do this. Available choices, available choices. So I'll do that real fast. Actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? I can copy paste this shit. Sometimes I catch myself doing something ridiculous. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that should work because it will make it none if the option is null, which is what we want. So, perfect. Yep. Okay. So now I can load this up. So how are you cooking, Will? How's the thing you're cooking going?
It's coming. It's coming along. It's coming along.
Are you making little character graphics for each one, little SVGs for each character?
No, I'm pulling it from the GRP. I'm trying to.
Oh, there's little character graphics from the GRP. Oh, cute.
Yeah, you see what I'm thinking? However, it's easier said than done because there aren't those for all the characters. But I guess for now we can just see what it's like with just a few.
Yeah, we can always make more too.
Yeah, or something like that. I'm just pulling from the GRP for now because I figured easier.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so that's apparently not null. So let's check what the value is when we load it up. This is great, though. I'm so happy with this. I love it when things just go super nicely and they just work. Okay.
Yeah.
So option, choices section 0. Okay, so it actually has an ID. I see. Okay. So I have to do a stupid thing here, which is instead of this nullable thing, I have to do a check. Does Writer have multi-cursor?
Yeah, it does. You gotta hold Alt.
That's moving things.
Wait, what is it? Wait. There is a way of doing that. I know. Oh, middle click does it. I know that. Like if you middle click and then drag, it does that.
It's not doing it.
If you drag it, like hold down middle click and like move it, it does have multiple cursors.
No, it doesn't.
Does it not? For me, it does.
Okay.
Like if I press the middle mouse button and just hold it down and just move my mouse, it adds more cursors for some reason.
It doesn't do that for me. That's okay.
Okay. It must be a way to doing it. I don't know.
Okay, I'll look it up later. I'll look it up later. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want to do here is something stupid. So let's do that. .id equals 0. Available choices 0. Okay. So that's what I want to do for this. It really is kind of stupid, but whatever. And then we'll do 0, 1, 2. Okay. So now that should do it correctly. And also down here, I have to do option equals option.id equals 0. Script dot event dot choices section 0 dot objects 0 option. Okay. So, oh wait, no, I don't actually want to do that. Oh no. Oh shit. I don't have to do that at all. Okay. That's actually correct. Because we want the parameter to stay with that none value. So we're just going to do that. Okay. This is so fantastic. I'm very excited about this. Perfect. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. So the next thing to do will be to add the select preview, I think. I want to do that. Well, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to add the flags in. And it's the display flags is what they're called. So we'll do private short display flag 1, public short display flag 1, get display flag 1, set, and we'll do edit display flag and index short display flag. Index +4. This is short script. Oops. Parameter value equals display flag display flag and +4. Okay, perfect. So we have display flag 1 set this dot raise and set if changed ref display flag 1 value edit display flag 0 display flag. Okay. And then again, we just do this a bunch of times. And just change it up. Display flag 2. Display flag 2. Display flag 2. Display flag 2. And 1. Display flag 2. Display flag 2. Display flag 2. Or 3. Whoops. Oh, we have concurrent viewer back.
Oh, really? We've done it.
Yeah, they love my locking in now. One of them does. Display flag 4, display flag 4, display flag 4, and index 3. Okay, so that should work now, and then again, I just have to do this. Display flag 1 equals short script parameter command dot parameter 0 dot value equals display flag or equals. Oh wait, yeah, that didn't have to do anything more than that. Okay, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, And what is this underline telling me? Invalid cast exception? Nah, it's not invalid cast. You're good. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat it, bro. Oh wait, yes, it is invalid cast. Oops. Good catch, Ryder.
I've done that twice so far. Don't worry.
Okay, cool. That's
Always
actually really
casting
cool
things
in
wrong.
IntelliSense. It knew that it was going to be an invalid cast. That's really cool.
Make that 3 times.
Hell yeah. Go, Will, go.
What have I
Alright.
done?
And then the next thing we're going to do
Oh.
is text block. Grid.column equals 0. Grid.row equals 4. Margin equals 0700. Text equals x static. Asset strings display flag 1. And then column 1. Oh, it's not text block. Text box. Text box. Grid.column equals 1. Grid.row equals 4. Margin 10. 0, 0, 0. Text equals binding. Display flag.
Forgot to
It
register
shouldn't
my
be a text box.
converter.
It should be a numeric up down.
How many times have you caused stuff to break by just completely forgetting to register the converter? 'Cause
0.
I just did that.
I never
Oh.
do that.
Make
Sorry.
it 1. Oh. This
Sorry,
is where
Will.
you like give me my emotional support.
I'm sorry. I'm too good. I never forget to register the converter.
Well, my time is nearly up, but I'm hoping that this will work and I can show you something that I've been working on while
Okay,
you were
hell
working on
yeah.
your cool stuff.
I'm super down to see
Oh,
it.
it didn't work.
When do you
It's
want to
gonna
do
work
this
now.
again, Will? We should keep streaming.
Yeah.
I'm unemployed now, so I have tons of free time.
I'm not, unfortunately, but yes, we should do this again. Okay, well, that's annoying. Yeah, maybe in a week or 2. We'll see. I'll have to check my calendar for when I
A
exactly am
week
free.
would
Might be
be
a couple
great.
weeks.
I would love a week.
It would be. I'll see if I'm available. I'll need to check the old calendar.
Calendar? Okay.
The calendar, yeah, the colander, the calendar, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. Hell yeah.
Yeah, VM property, that's not the right thing. Binding type converter. VM to view converter override. So I need to convert, I'm trying to convert it. So I need the view to VM converter override to be set. Hold on.
Okay.
And view to VM, maybe this is, let's do it. Wait, VM to view converter.
The view
override.
model to view converter?
That's an iBinding type converter. What? I've only a
Okay.
function. Ah!
Let me see what you're doing. Share your screen. I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, I've got an image. I'm trying to. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Oh.
I'm putting it on stream.
Ah, yeah. Hold on. So I've got an image here.
I still can't see your stream. Did I do something wrong? Oh, watch stream. I got it now.
No.
I got it.
Ah, yeah,
Okay,
you got
we're
it.
in,
You got
we're
it.
in,
You got
we're
it.
in, we're in.
Cool. You're in. I got it. So I've added an image.
Yeah. Sure.
Avalonia object to my script command tree item. I'm adding it to our panel. Okay. So I've made a bind, right?
So
You'll
why
see
are
this
you?
color here as
I have
well.
a question. Why are you? Oh, because it's in the tree item, so we have to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
So I've made a bind here, which
Yeah.
binds to our model. This image.
Got it.
Right.
Okay.
An image, and the source of the image is an SK bitmap, which we're getting, which I've added as a. Oh crap! I didn't mean to click on that. As a property from our vModel, which is this, right? So I've added a new SK bitmap here, and this is set through a thing. You can ignore my horrible code right now, but it's just.
That's fine. I'm not mad.
And I'm trying to register it so that it will convert that SK bitmap to an I image, which is what source accepts. And I know it accepts a SK bitmap because we've done it here before. where we've done it in the
Yeah,
XAML with this
I'm looking real
uh,
quick.
an
Okay.
icon is an SK bitmap in this case, and we've done it before, and we used this SL converters thing that we already have to do that conversion. So I'm trying to specify this, and that works, but except it causes it to still crash for some reason.
Okay, it is. Okay, so yeah, so
I think it's
VM to
bind,
view
right? I'm thinking
converter override, and that is
that
binding
it?
type I binding type converter. So utility
Yeah, but
dot
this
sk.
isn't. This is a func value converter, which is something different apparently.
Oh yeah, func value converter. Okay, that is what the yeah. So sk converter or sorry sl converters dot sk bitmap to Avalonia converter. Okay, so yeah, I see that it errors. So
Yeah.
a
So obviously
func
it's saying
value
that you need to
converter.
register it.
A func value converter is of type I value converter.
Mm.
Okay. So
Do we need to register a new converter? Is it like
I don't think we
like
should because it says that it's looking for an I binding type converter, right? So okay, I binding type converter, I value converter. Yeah, okay. It's time to use Google. Avalonia.
It's strange to me that the bind command takes a different object from the XAML.
Yeah. Converting binding values, I binding. Okay. I binding type converter,
I
Avalonia.
don't know why it needs an iBinding type converter.
I binding. Oh, is it looking for built-in? Are the built-ins different?
Reactive UI is what it's looking for. Oh, it's a reactive UI object, not an Avalonia.
That would be it. That would be it. Okay, okay. Well, that's
How
fine.
do I fix that?
Maybe
we
we
gotta make another
can we
one?
just cast it?
I don't know. I binding type converter. It's giving me a cast warning. Suspicious cast. I'm trying it.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. It probably
Yeah.
won't work, but it's worth trying.
Wait, also that needs to be a view to VM, doesn't it? View to VM converter override, not the other one. Let me just rebuild that. Because we're going from a
No, it's VM to view.
yeah, just VM to VM. Yeah. I can probably apply that. And I'm not gonna test applying those changes. If this works, then yeah, this is reactive is a library on top of Avalonia. If you're confused, viewers.
All two of you.
Honestly, if you're not confused
You
by
should be.
now, yeah, that's wrong. You should be helping us.
So true.
Honestly,
so
if you're
true.
not confused, please join, help.
Yeah. See. Okay. Okay.
No, I don't like that.
Yeah, that's
It
fair.
gives us
Reactive UI.
Yeah,
I
cannot
value.
convert object of type Avalonia func value converter to reactive UI I binding type converter. Why?
Okay, so we might need to make an
Make another
I
one.
binding type converter. Yeah. Okay, so
How do we
it's
do
an
that?
interface. Yeah, I
what do
think
we
we can
need
do it. I think we can do it. So put it in the same class, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a public I static I binding type converter. Actually, just maybe a binding type. Is there a binding type converter?
No, there isn't.
What implementation of it? Oh, so we just have to make a new class. Okay, that's fine. So public
I don't think.
class sk bitmap to Avalonia converter I binding type converter.
I'm looking at your stream now. Have a look.
Okay,
for
yeah, I'm
inspiration.
gonna try implementing this. Okay,
Oh boy.
so this is fine. There's only 2 methods to implement, which is great. Okay, so get affinity for objects returns a positive integer when this class supports try convert. Okay, perfect.
Oh, I
Okay.
see. Yeah.
So it returns a positive integer. Is that what it said?
So we
Yeah,
need to
okay.
convert this from a SK bitmap to an I image. So basically, we need to return if from type
Yeah.
is and
Actually, no.
then,
Just we should just be able to return directly. Return.
Yeah, exactly.
And then
We can even inline this, can't we?
equals type of bitmap. Yeah, like that.
II image, I think, isn't it? Or is that? Am I wrong?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Was that
it is
bitmap implements
iimage, yeah.
IImage?
Yeah, you're right. It's
Yeah,
iimage,
okay.
yeah. Okay. And then try convert, and we can actually just
Well, just look at
use
what
the
we've done.
SK bitmap at Avalonia converter convert. Yeah. Dot convert. Oh no, not that. Sorry. Using SL return SL converters dot SK bitmap converter. And then we should just be able to pass SK bitmap from
Oh, that's wait.
dot maybe we can do that.
I see what you're trying to do.
Yeah, I think we should be able to do this.
It's just a func. I don't know how you call a func value converter. Wait, just is it dot try convert on that function?
Oh no, it's convert dot convert.
Right.
And then we can do from and then type of
yeah.
SK bitmap. And that
IntelliSense is
should
going crazy.
be okay.
You've just
Oh, whoops,
you
I
just
did that.
input it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then parameter null
you've
culture off it. Culture infer culture. Okay, and then this does this do an out?
Hold on, you've typed of the SK bitmap to Avalonia converter for some reason.
Oh, whoops, I used to be XK bitmap.
Yeah.
Yeah, IntelliSense going crazy.
And then it's got like one of those weird.
Oh, and then we just have to cast it to iimage. And it doesn't like that for some reason. Oh,
it's because it's one of those mutable value ones.
Okay, got it.
One of those mutable, yeah.
So this does. So convert returns. Oh, does it?
Oh no, it does. It does actually.
No, it returns an object. It should return an object.
All right. We'll just...
Yeah, so it should return.
Wait, try convert.
Oh, you know what? We should do this maybe, and then SK bitmap. Oh, is it try convert?
Oh, you know what it is.
What?
Go back to the implemented method. See, I was got the parameter of the method we're overriding has something we need to set it to. We need to return whether the conversion was successful.
Oh, I see.
So result equals, and then we return that result
I see.
is
So
not,
result equals, and then return results not equal is not null or something like that. I don't know.
Well, I think there's a special value that convert method sets it to if it's not.
Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just throw it in a try catch.
Yeah.
Okay. Do that. Return true, and then otherwise return false. Catch. Return false. Okay. Wait, it isn't like that. Oh. Okay. Result equals null. Okay. Let's do that.
Right.
Okay.
Copy that code to me, actually.
Yeah, I'll just send that to you real quick.
Oh wait,
actually, I'll just exit.
It'll be the whole class.
Yeah, sorry, the whole thing. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool, and then I'll just register.
Yeah. So let me pull up Discord real fast. Oh, I had it here. I had your stream. Unfull screen and move it over to the other window. Fuyuko says, I think this is the first time I get on one of your streams and you're completely focused on developing SL rather than talking about other topics. Yeah. Sorry. We're really into it.
I was really looking forward to our talk about the U.S. presidential election, but no, we're looking in today, and I'm happy for it.
Yeah, we really locked in.
There's not much positive stuff to talk about with that, to be fair.
No, there isn't. I honestly did not want to talk about it at all. I was not happy at all about it.
Oh god.
No,
it's yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, awesome.
Discord.
So yeah, just go into SL converters and register that, and then that should work.
Oh right, in SL converters. Yeah, I'll just put it in there. Why not?
Yeah. Because you can just put it right in SL converters and like have it all in the same class. That's like nice. You already have it open. It's the next tab.
Yeah, I do. It's so. Alright, okay, and then.
Just outside that, perfect. And then yeah, just yep, there you go. And then you don't even need to do that. You don't need to do that at all. You just new it up. in the other thing.
Yeah, and so then we add a
If you can spell new,
yeah. Wait, what do we need to pass?
you need
that?
another paren.
Oh, not.
There you go. Okay, that
Lovely,
should
right.
work. That should work then.
When this is done, I will be leaving because I got to do some stuff. But
What are you
let's
gonna
try
do?
it. You get to see
Minecraft
my.
development or something?
No, I'm gonna play Stardew Valley with my friends.
Oh my god, you're
I'm
so
sorry,
cool,
I'm
Will.
abandoning you.
Oh
I'm
my god, I
abandoning
can't
you.
believe it. Well, I'm gonna end the stream once you go.
Alright,
Because I think
that's
this
cool.
is reasonable. All right, I want to see
Alright, if
this
this
here.
doesn't work, I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna
and-
put it
and
on stream so everyone can see.
I will push this up as soon as we're done with the stream as
Okay,
well.
cool. Thank you. Yeah, and I will take a
And
look at it at the
you
very
can
least.
deny it, approve it. Well, yeah, have a look at it. We'll see.
Yeah, exactly. Wow,
See
you
what
have
you
so
think.
many folders. I love it for you.
Oh god, yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, I picked the wrong name type. I thought.
Yeah, you did. It crashed immediately. What was the crash?
Can't two-way convert between SK bit. What?
Oh, it can't convert, two-way convert? Oh, right. No, you
Yeah.
have to do one-way bind. Do one-way bind rather than bind.
Oh, right. Come on. Last try. Come on.
Okay, yeah.
You're right. I see.
Yeah.
Because we didn't register a view to VM.
Yeah.
Bumble.
Exactly, yeah. So it should work now if you just do that. Hello, you're on stream, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
It's okay.
I
just
completely
wanted you
forgot
to
about
know.
that. Oh yeah, I forgot I changed this sharing to my screen. Whoops. Sorry, friend. I hope I didn't. No, there was nothing.
I don't think he docs. I don't think he got docs.
No. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, it's open, by the way.
Sorry. Lovely. Right.
The images aren't showing up, but they are a different
Well,
color.
that's a shame. Yeah, you can also the color is a thing I added. I was looking on that. The main reason for the color was actually because I noticed there were some. Wait, where is it? Let's just try EV.
One.
0001.
Oh, that works. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
grey out
that's
the
so
nukes.
cool,
They're
Will.
annoying
Holy
me.
shit. Oh my god.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
that's so cool.
It's not that impressive. However, the image is not showing up, which is really annoying. However, I'll look into that at some
No,
point.
push it up and I'll
Basically-
fix it.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah, I'll push it up and I'll take care of it. I'm interested in this, and so I can probably figure out that, like, it's probably something with the I don't know what it is. It's probably something. and
I
can
added
probably
a
figure it
little
out.
util class which grabs them, so maybe you move some stuff around and it didn't work. This looks up by item name, maybe change
It should
I don't know.
work by item name, but I can figure it out. Like, it might just be something that is within my purview, and I can figure out.
Okay, I'm not sure why it's got so many, but it probably isn't actually different compared
Are
to
you on
master,
main?
So.
Are you on main? No, you're on
Yeah, I'm
minor.
pushing to Origin.
You're on minor. Okay, yeah, that's fine. You can push to origin.
Yeah,
that's
there's
fine.
it's probably got a trillion changes, but that's compared to my origin, not the.
Okay, got it.
Because
Got it.
Yeah, if you know what I mean. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
That was really cool.
That was
That's a
fun.
really cool idea. I like it. I'm very happy with this. Okay, cool. So I will take a look at that. Let me minimize and yeah. So thank you everyone who's still here. This was a fun stream. We really locked in. I actually got the select script command editor in. Like, I did it. I'm gonna make some changes to it to use the choices at the script edit
That's
the
awesome.
script view model level rather than at the model level, so that we get updates to them. But yeah, it actually worked, which is very cool. Okay. So Will, thank you so much for being here.
It was fun. I
Enjoy
got something
Stardew
done.
Valley.
I will. I tried to do something. I got half of it done. The other half is like 75% of the way there.
Yeah, it's
figured out a
you're,
problem.
you're not that far. I'm gonna try to get it figured out fully. I'll like work on it after this.
Okay. Yeah. I'll push
I'm pretty
something
sure I can
to
do it.
the thing.
So yeah, push it up,
Cool.
and then I will take a look at it and edit it and stuff.
Jonko, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
I always enjoy working with
coming
you,
on.
Will.
Mhm.
Come back next week. Let's do next week. I'm gonna call it now. We're just gonna do next week.
I'll let you know. I'll
Check
confirm.
your calendar.
Probably.
Check your calendar.
I'll check my calendar.
I will also say for the viewers who are
Should
still
be
here,
okay.
I'm gonna be streaming this week. I have a game in the mail, and I'm
Ooh.
gonna be working
is
on
it?
a game for some of the disc. I fucking forget, man. It's something. It's some game. I will post the new stream with the thumbnail and everything, and you'll know what game it is. But I have a game in the mail that I'm going to be working on and editing a bit because people in the Discord asked me to take a look at it. So I'll be doing that.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah,
Maybe I'll
absolutely.
drop by.
Please do.
Maybe next time I'll drop by with my Macintosh.
Oh, hell
test that
yeah.
out.
Yeah, if you want to drop
Alright.
in, feel free. It's going to be during the week, but it will be in
Alright.
your evening, most likely.
Okay,
So-
well then, if it's in my evening, then it's possible. All right.
Yep.
Wow.
Awesome.
Thanks so much. Thanks for
Thank
having
you,
me.
Will.
And I'll speak to you some other time.
Yeah,
maybe
absolutely. I'll
next week
see you
we'll see.
around. Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Ciao for now.
All right,
Thanks,
bye.
Jonko.
All right, everyone. That's it for Will. Thank you all for coming or viewing the VOD if that's what you're doing. And thank you all for being here. We're gonna head out now. So yeah, that's it. All right. Goodbye, everyone.